Cross rates refer to currency exchange rates where neither currency is the USD. In other words, neither the base nor the counter currency is the dollar in a cross rate. The derivation of a cross rate requires the exchange of each respective currency in relation to the USD. Trading through the dollar and the dollars by design cancel out, leaving us with only two terminal currencies. Firstly, due to the dominance of the USD in international trade, the exchange of each currency to the dollar provides the best indicator of the price. And secondly, by emulating a trade through the dollar, a fair market price is determined. The assumption here is that market prices will enforce convergence to this price. Because deviations from this price will be open to arbitrage. For instance, if the available market price is lower than the price calculated, it will be possible for an astute market practitioner to purchase the relatively cheaper currency in exchange for the currency priced relatively higher, and vice versa. Doing so will result in a risk-free profit to the market practitioner. Non-arbitrage pricing means that we assume market prices have already been at play and no arbitrage opportunities exist for the price. Put differently, a market participant, no matter how smart, should not be able to guarantee a profit from any trade that does not involve risk. By trading currencies through the dollar and the dollar serving an intermediary role, the dollar exchanges cancel out and we end up with the terminal cash flows, which relates the rate of exchange of one base non-USD currency for a variable rate of a non-USD counter currency. Cross rates include currency pairs classified as both majors and minor pairs and provide a method to calculate the two-way price in any currency pairs, irrespective of how liquid or illiquid a particular market is. The only requirement being that both currencies are tradable to the USD. In the next video, we investigate the exact method used to calculate cross rates with an example.